You've built a powerful Rich Filters Jira dashboard, but will everyone who opens it know how to use it? The Rich Filters text panel gadget lets you add instructions, links, and other helpful context directly to your dashboard. I'll use the technical communications dashboard in this example, but you can add the text panel gadget to any Rich Filters Jira dashboard. First, edit the dashboard. In the Add Gadget panel, search for Text and add the Rich Filter text panel to the dashboard. In this example, we'll use the text panel to provide useful instructions for the technical communications team. First, add a heading. Then, a short description. Now, let's add a few instructions. The Rich Text Editor also lets you format your content with colors, lists, links, tables, code snippets, information panels, quotes, and expandable sections. Let's add an information panel to highlight an important tip. Then, add a link to the Rich Filters documentation so dashboard users know where to find additional information. And finally, rearrange the dashboard so the Rich Filter controller is in the upper right-hand corner. Click Submit and then Done. Now, anyone who opens the dashboard immediately has some context about what they're looking at and how to use it. And because the text panel isn't connected to a particular Rich Filter, these instructions remain visible while users filter and explore the dashboard. The Rich Filter text panel is a simple way to make complex Rich Filter Jira dashboards easier to understand and easier for your team to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe to Appfire's YouTube channel for more quick Jira and Confluence tutorials.